This week, my critic's pick is the documentary Running from Crazy.
My grandfather, Ernest, is one of the greatest writers of the 20th century, and yet he suffered tremendous mental illness. I come from 7 suicides, perhaps more. My sister, Margot, was obsessed with the whole mystery of Ernest Hemingway. I love bullfighting, I love great wine, I love great living.
This is my grandfather's house. He spent a lot of time there writing, and that's where he took his life.
The film follows actress Mariel Hemingway, granddaughter of literary great Ernest Hemingway, as she tries to make sense of the mental illness and suicide that has plagued her family for generations. Koppel never delves into why this family was so plagued. There are no psychiatrists or literary greats chiming in with their 2 cents. But revealing family footage shot by Margot when she was still alive and present-day interviews continue to feed our fascination with the Hemingway family. Running from Crazy opened in select theaters November 1st. It will air on the OWN network in 2014.